Hi guys, it's Tamara, the creator behind Be Kind Ramae. I'm super excited. This is the first restock since 2020, and so I'm super excited to have had a break. And it is always important to, in anything you do, take time, either plan it. So what I'm getting better at is planning my breaks throughout life, monthly. If I know something is gearing up, if I know birthdays are coming, if I know family health issues might arise, like planned surgeries and things, I make sure I put a break in there where I have some downtime, whether it's a day, 2 days, or a few weeks, whether it might just be sitting down and binge watching a show for 2 days straight, just something that, you just detox your mind. It might, definitely through this pandemic, it is hard to like get out and vacation, but a lot of times you can do things like vacation inside your house, plant a garden, rearrange a room. I have started diving into remodeling our house by myself, and so it's another field where I can just create and have fun. Paint. I got up one day and said, I am painting this bathroom. And I'm painting all my rooms in my house because I have a lot of kids, and fingerprints and marks and dents and markers and all of that stuff stay on my walls. And so it's for me, creating a new space is woosah in itself. And so I took the beginning of the year and maybe a solid week off, away from having to set a deadline on when I'm going to do another restock. And so in that, you already know the creative wheels begin to turn when there's not a time frame. And so once I got enough stock, I said, I guess it's time to restock the site. But I think in anything, in any business, in life in general, you should always schedule time to have a break before you burn out. And you master it when you don't ever have to feel the burnout. Like usually your body tells you, it's like your back starts hurting, your neck starts hurting, you have a headache that don't go away. It's your body saying slow down. And so I am the one who will work until my body says you literally can't get up. And so over the years I've learned to slow and steady. Slow and steady, because you are no good to anyone if you are not here. And I am no good to my family if I am not here and I'm not complete. And so I always say slow and steady. I'm gonna say this and then we're on to see what we got coming. But 2 days ago, I was like, okay, last final week, I can knock out some creative stuff, and not one child would let me. So stayed on my lap. Things just kept coming up, and everybody was fussing and fighting. It was my youngest son's birthday, and I was like trying to just sneak in a little work. And life was telling me slow and steady, Tamara. If you cannot knock out the extra creative earrings, jewelry in this batch, then it's okay. That's all right. So I put everything down. I planned a silly string attack on the kids, where me and Dave loaded up. They had their Nerf guns and didn't know we had silly string, and I loaded them up in our like pockets. And I was like, okay, whoever can, if you can hit mommy and daddy first, we have cookies before dinner. And they were like, all we gotta do is hit you with one Nerf gun. That's it. And on the count of 3, we pulled out the silly string. And I say silly string was everywhere. We started reading the can like, I don't think I prepared for this. Can this stuff come out of carpet? 15 cans of silly string gone in 10 minutes. Silly string was everywhere. The kids had a blast. I laughed, ran, and jumped. We had pizza and ate cookies, And the next day I cleaned up a whole lot of silly string. It was actually very easy to clean up. You just kind of brush it all, pick it up, put it in the trash, and vacuum the rest. I advise everyone, silly string around the house or in one room. And so the idea was that I spent time with the family. I got a little exercise and we had a really good time. The very next day, they let me just do everything. It was calm, it was peaceful, so slow and steady. If I would have stressed them out and said, I gotta get this work done, leave me alone, we would all have been stressed out. But we had fun and we played. And then the next day, I was very productive. Everybody was calm and quiet. Sophia went to sleep like extremely early. And that's what slow and steady does. If, you know, I don't know, it just gives you peace. And so plan your breaks, slow and steady in it, because what is for you will not miss you. If you are working and doing what you need to do, I guarantee you're going to be in the right place at the right time, because what is for you will not miss you. Anyway, that's my little bit for today. These are the earrings we're going to have in stock. 7 p.m. tonight at bekindramee.com. bekindramee.com. 7 p.m. Eastern. Thank you guys for all that you do. I love you. You keep me motivated. And I can't wait for you to see this new collection.